Is your phone not working properly but you don't want to delete all your data? In this tutorial, I'll show you how to reset all settings on your phone without deleting photos, apps, and documents. Although all options will be reset, it's important to note that security settings, language, accounts, personal data, and settings for downloaded apps will not be changed. If you want to refresh your phone and restore it to its factory state without losing any important data, keep watching. So here's how you do it. First, find and open the settings on your phone. Once you're in settings, the next thing you need to do is scroll down and find the General Management option. When you find it, tap to open it. Once you've opened this option, you will see different choices. Scroll down, find the Reset option, and tap to open it. Then on this page, scroll a little further down, and you will see different reset options. Choose the Reset All Settings option. After selecting it, you just need to confirm your choice and wait for the process to finish. And that's it. After that, your phone will be reset to factory settings, but your personal data and apps will remain untouched. Your phone will be ready for further use with fresh settings, and you'll be able to enjoy its improved performance. If you like this video, don't forget to leave a like, share it with your friends, and subscribe to my channel for more tutorials like this. Thank you so much for watching, and of course, I'll see you very soon in my next video.